Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Dynamics 365 import for leads and contacts step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the necessary permissions to install Dynamics 365. Log into your Dynamics 365 environment. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. In Settings, select the Solutions option. Once in the Solutions area, click on Import. Now, click the Browse button to locate the import file. Select the file that contains your leads and contacts data. After choosing the file, click Next to initiate the import process. Review the import summary for accuracy. Ensure that the data mapping is correct for leads and contacts. If adjustments are needed, click the Change Mapping option. Once confirmed, click Finish to proceed with the import. Wait for the system to process the import. You may need to refresh the page to see the progress. Once completed, check the import status for any errors. If errors are present, click on the error report for details. Make the necessary corrections in your source file. Re-import the corrected file by repeating the previous steps. Verify that all leads and contacts are accurately listed in the system. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Dynamics 365 import for leads and contacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.